Face mask for acne scars with honey, oatmeal, and lemon. A mask, made with honey, lemon, and oatmeal, will gently exfoliate acne-prone skin, regulate sebum production, and reduce blemishes. Oatmeal is responsible for skin oil regulation, and the exfoliating effect, while honey and lemon are very effective against acne and acne scars. Lemon, in particular, fights against scars and blemishes, and honey, being a potent antibacterial agent, deals with acne-causing bacteria. Oatmeal cleanses the skin pores by drawing out the stale oils and dirt out of them. How to make the mask? First of all, you will need to grind a small amount of oatmeal into a fine powder. You can use a coffee grinder for this purpose. Then you need to squeeze fresh juice from 1/2 of a lemon. Now, take a small bowl, and add the following ingredients in it: 1 teaspoon of ground oatmeal, 1 1/2 teaspoon of raw honey, and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Using a fork, whip the ingredients up to get a thick mixture, which should be a little watery, but not drippy, and should have a slightly gritty feel. The mask is ready to use. Few tips. Use only 1/2 of a teaspoon of lemon juice, or even less, if you have severe acne, because lemon juice may make it worse. To enhance the whole procedure, steam your face before applying the mask. Steaming will open the pores and soften the dead skin cells, so the components of the mask will work more efficiently, and the pimples will heal faster. The benefits of honey, lemon, and oatmeal for skin. Honey soothes inflamed skin and fights against acne-causing bacteria. It contains enzymes and antioxidants that protect your skin from the damage caused by free radicals. Lemon has antiseptic and antibacterial properties, so it kills the germs and bacteria. It also has an ability to lighten the skin and to boost the healing of acne scars. Oatmeal contains saponins, the natural cleansing substances that remove dirt, stale sebum, and dead cells from the pores. Oatmeal can also calm the skin inflammation caused by acne, due to its soothing properties.